Good morning, guys. I'm Wana from the Midnight Mouse, and this morning actually, I was surprised with a new package from Alice's Collections, and I guess this is my Doll Family Age body for my Withdoll Olivia head. Let's unbox her together. Oh, that beautiful pink box! So soft. I got the slim body with ballerina feet, extra hands and high heels. And it's my first time unboxing a Doll Family. Oh guys, it's magnetic. The box is magnetic. Look. It's amazing. Let's see what we have here. These are gorgeous. I really love them. I've started collecting those postcards lately, and I am creating a wall with them. So this is her paperwork. As always, we get these from Alice's Collections. Those are magic sponges, melamine sponge, and is amazing for cleaning up your dolls. Oh, we have extras. Some hooks, those are amazing to have, always. An extra hook for setting up the head. I have her in pink skin, and these are the extra hands. Somehow, since they've changed their pink skin, it's not as pink as it used to be, as far as I can see. But look at these hands, so much detail. They're very detailed. I love them, they're so cute and elegant. That's amazing. Here I should have the feet, the high heels. They're beautifully sculpted. They're beautiful, just beautiful. Look at the details. And the high arch. I really love the high arch. I know that it's not that easy to find shoes for them in this case, but the sculpt, it's elegant and beautiful. OMG. She's heavy. These are the flat feet. Look how beautiful she's sculpted. Look at the knee details. And she's double jointed. There. She's swiveling at the thigh. Oh, actually she unlocks. Okay, she has lockers to keep the position. I love the thick thighs though. I really love them. She's not weirdly skinny. And look at the back details and the elbows. She's double jointed at hands as well. And she has such beautiful hands and gestures. There are a couple more, but I think I'll get them in time. And let's see the movement. Oh wow, she goes quite far. Okay, and has, oh wow, a lot of movement in the back as well. And usually I choose the small breast size. I don't know why, but I think it's kind of cute. Okay, so as I see her now, the color won't match with my Olivia, which is very, very pink. And oh, and she has silicone here, so no need to suede her. So she has a very light pink natural tone instead of a very pink that is Olivia, so the color won't match. I will say you this. However, they change the pink for sure, because I do have the ballet feet from a previous purchase, and those are very pink. Just wait me a minute. These are the ballet feet. Oh, actually, no, it was my imagination. It's the same color. I remember them being much more pink. But look at these footsies. They're amazing. Okay, so let's see the head situation for the headless body. So as I previously mentioned, I have my Withdoll Olivia. It's a pretty close match, actually. There is a slight difference, but on camera I don't think you can see it. This has a yellow undertone and this has a purple one. That is the difference. Okay, so let's try this one first, and then we'll see about the rest. She has lock mechanism everywhere. Okay, so wow, she looks beautiful with this body actually. And I really like her face up. It's the company face up, but I love it. Fits perfectly. And she has a beautiful range of motion. Yes, it's a win. But let's try the others now. I have them here. That was the initial plan, and the skin match is perfect. It's exactly the same. And let's see how it goes. I have one of them. Maybe I'll have a couple more bodies. So this is Larina. She looks really well. She has a bit of a bigger head than Withdoll, for example. Actually, it's a different configuration. But the skin match is perfect, I have to say. And I like the proportion. The body is a bit chunky, or seems like. And also it's very detailed, such as the head. Doll in Mind heads are very detailed. Fits perfectly in the neck hole. Okay, since it has a face plate, I have to pin it better. But we have a full range of motion. I think I'll add extra magnets or something for her. Now, I don't know exactly which one will have the body in the end, but let me see. Let me actually show you how you can change the hands or the feet first, because this is something that I really love. So you pull, you switch, has a locking mechanism here, and this is it. Pull and switch. Same for the feet. And let's have the ballet foot here. Somehow it looks weird. I might cut the wrong size. They have multiple sizes of ballet feet. But she's freaking adorable. Yeah, I hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye.